Hmm. Wow. Hey, what's happening? Merry Christmas once again, y'all. Okay. All right. So Domino is back watching SpongeBob. Okay. Christmas special. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, uh, uh, I just done a Facebook Live earlier, wishing everybody a Merry Christmas. And there's some people I forgot to wish a Merry Christmas to. And oh and and Mr. Emmanuel just messaged me on my Facebook. Merry Christmas to Emmanuel and his sister Roulette. Okay, yeah. So Roulette, I'm not gonna say where she work at. All I say is she work at a grocery store. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. All right. Merry Christmas, Roulette. Listen, this is Ray Beans. Mm-hmm. All right. This another Christmas vlog. Okay. Facebook wise. Okay. Eventually on YouTube. So anyway, I won't forget to I forgot to wish a Merry Christmas to my good friend Jakaya. Okay, Merry Christmas, Jakaya. If you're watching this video, if you're watching this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube, today and my sister. Oh, Emmanuel just messaged me and told me to today's his sister birthday. Roulette, if you watching this, Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday, okay? All right, so it's Roulette's birthday. I gotta call Dwayne and tell Dwayne to today's Roulette's birthday. She's a Christmas baby, y'all. So let's see if we gonna let's see if I can invite her to be on the show. Y'all know who Roulette is. So if she camera shy, you know. So if she camera shy, y'all not gonna know who she is. Okay. Yep. So yeah. All right. So Merry Christmas to Jakaya, Idramika, and other people. Idramika don't know me that much. Okay. So anyway, Merry Christmas, Idramika. Okay. All right. And Merry Christmas to anybody I forgot. Okay. And I would like to shout a Merry Christmas to Dominique Henry, aka Diamond Dior, Terry L, Missy. Well, I must say, she don't want me to pronounce her real name or show with my booty. All right, so and Merry Christmas to all my family out there that took a trip. You know, and Merry Christmas to my auntie Jewel. She recently got out the hospital. You know, so we gonna continue on praying for her. Yeah, and you know something? I cried so much because Jewel was in the hospital. I mean, it kind of reminded me of what happened to my mama. Hmm The thing was, she was really heartbroken with what happened to my mama when my mom passed away. Ooh, she wasn't. Ooh, Lord, I heard she cut up just like she cut up when she lost Bango. A bug, must was a fly or something. Okay, all right. So, Merry Christmas to my friend Natrell, my cousin Natrell. All right, Merry Christmas to Sierra and Russell. Okay, so I told y'all that they was gonna be married. I told y'all that. I predicted that. You know what I'm saying? If y'all watch my old video, I got so many comments. They say my prediction came true. You know. Merry Christmas, Angel. If you're watching this, okay. She my good friend. She thought I didn't like her. I ain't mean to raise my voice at her that time. Why? I don't know why. But well, I'm not gonna say why on national TV. Okay. All right. Merry Christmas to Shamika and her kids. You know, I already wished them a Merry Christmas already. Hmm I already wished Brittany a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to Brittany, Danny, and Bailey. Okay. And Merry Christmas to Nyla and Poochie. Okay. So I I think they all gonna make a debut on my show one day. But Domino 7 is the star. All right. So yeah, so hopefully if the law say the same, this will probably be my last Christmas single, you know. I had a girlfriend last year for Christmas, but I'm not gonna say why, you know, or who or whatever. You know, she wouldn't want me to say it out there, you know. Even though we wasn't that much together, you know. I was, well, me and her was kind of together just to see how far it's gonna go, you know. But it was just, excuse me, it just meant for us to be friends, you know. But I don't even know if me and her gonna ever get back together or not, you know. But she happy single, you know. After she lost her best friend last year due to COVID, you know. Excuse me. Sorry, something in my throat, but I don't want y'all to watch me spitting or whatever, you know. So it's a pinch cool, but half warm out here, you know. So I don't think it's that hot enough for shorts, you know. The last time we had a hot Christmas was 2016, you know, record high, you know. Let's step over here and look at the sun, okay? Yep, it's a sunny Christmas. Yep, it's a sunny Christmas, y'all. We wish you a sunny Christmas, a Merry Christmas, okay? Well, yep, it's all good, you know. hmm Merry Christmas to all families, you know. God bless each and every one of y'all, you know. hmm I'm very happy that y'all having a good Christmas, watching children open up their presents and stuff like that. hmm All right, I need to go check on my game. Wait a minute, my game already finished, huh? Let me see. Yeah, it is finished. I forgot I stopped it. You know, I forgot I stopped it. You know. Yeah, yeah. So you know, I do gameplay watches and stuff like that. So after after I finish warming up the red beans and stuff like that, I'm a I'm gonna do a playthrough of Super Mario Brothers 3. You know, so that means I'm gonna go through the whole game without using a whistle, without even getting a whistle. You know, so that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna I'm gonna play the game all the way through without getting a whistle. Okay. All right. So all right. About to go check on the. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna pause the game and check on my beans and that's it. You know. All right. So that's all I'm gonna do. Pause the game and pause the recording. You know. All right. Okay. So that's all I'm gonna say. All right, thank y'all for watching. Okay, Merry Christmas, Jakai, if you're watching this. Okay, Merry Christmas to your sister Marion, and Merry Christmas to your family, your mom and your dad, and your aunties and your uncles. Merry Christmas, Kirsten K, and, and to her mom too. Okay, Miss Kaufman. Okay. Merry Christmas to all y'all, especially T. Tiandra. I haven't met them yet. I haven't met Tiandra and any mom yet. Okay. Merry Christmas to Miss Tiffany and the rest of the family. Okay. I hope y'all having a wonderful Christmas. God bless each and every one of y'all. Okay. Merry Christmas to all of y'all. Bob Barker, Drew Carey, George Gray, Rich Fields, Roger Dopowitz, Lanisha Cole, Fire Dawson, Rachel Reynolds, Janice Pennington, Holly Hallstrom, uh, and everybody else. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. And rest in peace to Alex Trebek. Okay. All right. God bless y'all. All right. Bye bye.